Good morning class. So today we are going to discuss about your third unit last lesson, that is the poem. In the first and second we have seen the selfish gain part 1 and selfish gain part 2. Now we are seeing our third lesson, that is a poem, The Garden Within. So what we all know, in the selfish gain part 1 and part 2 we have seen the garden, flowers, blossoms and all. Now here in this lesson the poet itself has garden in his heart. That is, generally our environment is given by our God. It is a God gift. So we should protect our environment and do not waste our natural and resources in most amount. That is, it should be used limited. So here uh, trees are giving us oxygen, and without oxygen we can't live. But nowadays what they are doing is deforestation is increased, and here due to deforestation the amount of trees or the number of trees are decreasing, and there will be more breath problems in future if the deforestation continues. So here I am telling that nature is very important, and we should protect our nature for the future generations. If we not protect our future generations, for our natural resources, then there will be no water and there will be no fresh air for future generations, so that they can't live on the earth. So here the Garden Within poem tells us that it is a poem. The central idea of poem is our environment is very good and beautiful to use, so we should use it properly, and we should feel the outside atmosphere, so that in order to keep us healthy. So here what the poet is saying that he has a garden in his heart, and he is telling that the flower blooms in the winter, and in the flower blooms in the winter, and there will be a most colorful flowers in the for the trees. So here what the poet is telling that if many people come and take care of our environment, it is the best job in the world, that we protect our environment, so that our lives would be saved. Because nowadays corona and all, it is all coming. That is, if we protect our environment and if we protect our nature, this type of disease would not never come in future. So here what the main idea or main theme of the poem is, we should protect our environment and we should take care of our environment, so that we should develop trees. That is, we should we should develop trees, and we should not overuse the natural resources like water, current and all. So the main idea of the poem is to what is we should save our environment, and the poet has garden in his heart, so that he is expressing the feeling, and he is expressing what happening in his heart. So this is all about this poem. So once read the poem, it is simple and a 4-para poem. If you read once, it will be understand. Hope you understand. Thank you.